Applying the template, our data visualization. In this lesson, we will look at our data visualization, think about how to apply our template, as well as add some other nice items and some nice flashy stuff to make it look pretty nice. So let's have a look at our data visualization. And here it is. It's a UEFA Champions League 2021, which shows the brackets for all the various clubs, the knockouts, and it shows you the progression of Chelsea, Man City, Dortmund and other teams using our template. As you can see, we have colors, we're gonna have icons, so we're gonna add some niceties to it, but this is the data visualization we will be developing together. Like I said, in terms of the background smoke and the background images, we won't be working on that. The main thing is to get the centerpiece, and then you could build the design whichever way you see fit. Remember, it doesn't need to apply just to football. This could apply to any form of knockout competition, from American football to tennis, whatever you fancy. So now that you've had a look at what we'll be developing, let's dive into our data set.